So the other day when I was watching some videos on YouTube, I came across a video that showed a gentleman, he had these products and tools for cleaning his muzzle devices. So I ordered those. I looked it up and I ordered it. It's at www.fixvictory.com. So apparently he has a Victory, which Smith & Wesson Victory, that he was showing some of these tools, which was this here, the Wonder Gun Rod, the cleaning rod. So I haven't tried this out, but I bought this kit. It comes with a brush and 2 rods for cleaning. Wonder Gun Rod, www.fixvictory.com. I believe the kit was $9.95. So that was just the rods. In addition, he had a video where he was cleaning his muzzle devices, and so I ordered that kit from him, which included these 3 containers for mixing your solution and cleaning. It has a measuring cup, a brush for getting into the one end of the compensator, brushes for getting into another end and for going through the holes on the compensator, a couple of pads to go on the bottom of your containers here. And by the way, he mixed up a solution using common household supplies, which created an acid, and he did put it into a ultrasonic cleaner. I do not have one, but I do have a the brass cleaner, and I may try using that and see how that works, or whether it just needs to sit and soak. It included these tweezers with the plastic on it, so that when you get the muzzle devices out of the acid and put them into the cleaner, just plain water for cleaning, that you don't get it on your hands. He also suggested that you wear gloves to prevent from getting the acid on your hands, because he said it is corrosive. I watched the videos. It did a really good job of cleaning off all the crud and crap from the muzzle devices. So I look forward to giving this a shot, and later maybe I'll make another video and show you the results of my cleaning. Thanks for watching. Okay, I got this package in the mail the other day. It's something I ordered from TandemKross, and I thought I would make a opening video and show you what's in the bag. Since I have not opened it, as you can see. Okay, the bag's empty. Put that aside. Oh, goodies from TandemKross. So here is the ultimate game changer muzzle device, which I'm going to put on the Victory, which I showed you earlier. Here's the trigger for the Victory. I ordered a red one. I thought it looked cool. It was an extra $10, but nice. Now I'll need to watch I've watched a couple of videos. I'll watch another one on how to install it. Comes with 2 little tiny Allen wrenches. That aside. Here is the firing pin and extractor for my Ruger Mark III, my competition gun. I have on occasion had some failures to feed. I haven't had any stovepipes, but I read that, I know replacing the extractor helps with the stovepipes, and I also read that replacing the firing pin will help eliminate what are called soft strikes, and in case it doesn't hit the round, you have to eject it and fire it again, which I've had to do occasionally, which of course cuts down on seconds while you're shooting in the steel challenge here, where every 1/10 of a second counts. I also have a new firing pin for the Victory. I have an extractor for the Victory. And springs for the Victory. I think it was a combo kit. It was the springs, the firing pin, and the extractor all together as a combo. I'm going to give you another decal. Here's my receipt. And here's some instructions for the game changer compensator. How to do cleaning if you have problems. Here's the fire start firing pin installation instructions. Here's the Ruger Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 2245 extractor installation instructions. Firing pin installation instructions. And this is the Victory trigger installation. Here's the game changer. And again, here's the trigger instructions. So they're pretty good. They have you know, detailed photographs and instructions. However, of course, I do like watching the video. That's something I can watch over and over again. And that I can watch. The two little Allen screws in here are for adjusting the over travel and pre-travel and over travel. I don't know if I'll make a video on installing these, but maybe I will. So, goodies from TandemKross for my competition guns. My Ruger Mark III 2245, which I have a Seymour optic on it, and the Victory, which I plan to use with iron sights. One day I hope to be a Grandmaster, which would be nice, but it's a lot of fun out shooting, and I'm always trying to improve my own scores and get faster. Thanks for watching.